Welcome back. In this video, we explore useful English vocabulary that begins with the letter H, from habitual to hysterical. These words are a bit more advanced, but they're commonly used in everyday conversations. Let's dive in. Habitual, done regularly or repeatedly, usual or typical behavior. She took her habitual walk around the park every morning. Hilarious, extremely funny. That movie was hilarious, I couldn't stop laughing. The joke was hilarious. Hallucination, something imagined that seems real, often caused by illness, drugs, or lack of sleep. He had hallucinations after 3 days without sleep. The patient reported a hallucination. Harmful, causing damage or injury. Too much sugar can be harmful to your health. Smoking is harmful to your health. Herb, a plant used for flavor, medicine, or fragrance. I like to cook with fresh herbs like basil and thyme. Hire, to pay someone to work, also to rent something in some dialects. They hired a new manager last week. The company plans to hire new workers. We hired a car for the weekend. Hit, to strike something, also to succeed, figuratively. He hit the ball with the bat. Hit, to strike something with force. The ball hit the window. Hit, to reach a level or target. The temperature hit 40 degrees. Hit, something very successful or popular. The song was a big hit. Hold, to keep something in your hand or arms, also to maintain a position. Hold, to keep something in your hands. She held the baby carefully. Hold, to organize or have an event. They will hold a meeting tomorrow. They hold meetings every Friday. Hold, to occupy a position or role. She holds an important position in the company. Hold, to keep something in place. This rope will hold the boat. Hold on, to wait or to keep holding something. Hold on a second, I'll check. Hold on to the rope. Hold on tight, to grip something firmly so you don't fall or lose balance. Hold on tight, the boat is moving fast. Hollow, empty inside, also metaphorical. The log was hollow inside. Hollow, figurative meaning, without real meaning, sincerity, or truth. His words sounded hollow. Holy, sacred, related to religion. This is a holy place for many people. Honest, truthful, sincere. She is always honest about her feelings. She is an honest person. Honor, respect, to show respect or give recognition. He received an award in honor of his work. Honor, to keep or respect something, to do what you promised or agreed to do. We must honor our promises. Hop, to jump on one foot or make small jumps. The bunny hopped across the grass. Hope, to want something good to happen. I hope you feel better soon. Hope, a feeling that something good will happen. There is still hope for the team. Hopeless, without hope, very bad or impossible. The situation seemed hopeless. Hopeful, she is hopeful about the future. Host, a person who receives guests or presents a show. She was the host of the party. He is the host of the show. Hostage, a person held by force to demand something. The criminals took 5 people hostage. Hound, a type of dog used for hunting, also to bother someone persistently. The hound chased the deer. Hound, Figurative use, to chase or pressure someone persistently, especially journalists or critics. The press hounded the actor for months. Housing, places for people to live. The city needs more affordable housing. Hug, to hold someone closely in your arms to show affection. She gave him a big hug. She gave him a warm hug. Humble, modest, not arrogant. She remained humble despite her success. Low in status or condition. She came from humble beginnings. Hungry, feeling the need to eat. I'm hungry after the trip. I'm so hungry I could eat a horse. An idiom meaning you are extremely hungry. Starving, very hungry, used informally to say you are extremely hungry. I'm starving. I haven't eaten all day. Hunt, to search for or chase animals, also used figuratively. They went to the forest to hunt deer. The pirates sailed the seas to hunt for treasure. Sail, to travel on water in a boat or ship using wind or engines. The ship will sail tomorrow morning. Treasure hunter, someone who searches for hidden or lost treasure. He dreams of becoming a treasure hunter. Hunt, figurative, search actively, to look carefully and actively for something. He's hunting for a new job. Hunter, a person who hunts animals or searches for something. The hunter walked quietly through the forest. In the movie The Deer Hunter, 1978, starring Robert De Niro, the story follows a group of friends who go deer hunting before the Vietnam War. In the Western Unforgiven, 1992, directed by Clint Eastwood, bounty hunters track down criminals for a reward. Hurry, to move or act quickly. Hurry up or we'll miss the train. She left the house in a hurry. There's no hurry, we have plenty of time. Hurt, to cause pain, physically or emotionally. I hurt my knee playing football. Hurt, emotional meaning, to cause emotional pain or sadness. Her words really hurt me. What he said hurt my feelings. Hydrate, to add water to something or keep the body supplied with fluids. It's important to hydrate after exercise. This cream helps to hydrate your skin. Moisturizer, a cream or lotion that keeps your skin soft and hydrated. I apply moisturizer every morning. Hygiene, conditions and practices to maintain health and prevent disease. Good hygiene helps prevent illness. Hypocrite, a person who says one thing and does another. He tells others to save money, but spends a lot himself. What a hypocrite.
Call someone a hypocrite to say that someone pretends to have moral standards or beliefs that they do not really follow. Don't call me a hypocrite.
Hypothesis, a proposed explanation based on limited evidence. The scientist tested his hypothesis with several experiments. My hypothesis is that someone modified the report data without prior notice. Hysterical, extremely emotional or funny, out of control. She became hysterical when she saw the spider. Thanks for watching. Keep practicing these H words and try using them in your own sentences. Don't forget to check out the previous videos in this series and see you in the next one.